Finally, a nice sunny day. Wow, look at all these ants over here.
Welcome to Rican Thai family with Nuch, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai family.
Look at the spray pot. So, look at my grapes, huh? My grapevine over here. Doing great. Coming back. Come on, baby. The avocado tree's doing great. Everything's doing great. Enjoy lemons on that. Anyway, so got done working there for or you know just putting primer on the more.
Not. It's too hot.
Really? And so we're going to Big C. Big C on this side on Buriram. And then we'll go get some chicken for Nuch and some other stuff that Nuch wants to get. She wants to have dinner or lunch, whatever, with her family over here in the front of the house. So that's good. She can enjoy some time with her family. So we almost had this sold, but she couldn't get all the money together, so no go. Alright, let's go. What candy very big? This one? Oh, we've seen that before.
You want to buy it? No.
So you can see that Nuch don't care too much about fashion.
I'm hot.
See that? That's a lot of colors.
You look at Rosa.
Today's the last day to buy lotto. And then so we came to get gas over here. Now we're gonna get some coffee. And even maybe some food too. I'm about to get some food over there. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah. So we stopped at this place. Alright. Oh, there. Chicken place. Hey, she's back. Let me see what you got. You made it?
Put my money first, okay?
Put your money away. You have something to clean your hands? You have some, what do you call that thing?
Yeah.
Let me get some too. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then. Woo. Hot. Not summer yet.
Let's see it.
So what do you want? This one or this one?
Whichever one.
Huh?
I don't care. Let me get one. Let me eat it like that.
Okay.
You got one for everybody?
Yeah. For me.
Let me eat. Damn. That is good. All right, we made it to Big C in Buriram. Big C, Buriram. That sounds funny, right? Buriram. So, yeah, there's some food, some chicken and stuff, and pork and bananas and whatnot. This is really near the house. Actually, I don't know why I don't come here more often. Oh, they have music. Alright, that's enough. Enough of that. Let's go in. So Nuch found something over here. A lot of snails. We still have snails.
You find?
No.
Over there. See over there.
Go. Show me.
Here.
So small, huh? It looks. What?
What happened, Robin? You scared? You think you can jump?
You think that's funny? That's not funny.
You do to me all the time.
They can jump, no?
I mean,
You didn't get it. Get it, get it, get it. There you go.
When?
Yeah.
Dad?
She got it. Look what the nice clothes that Nuch bought for TK.
No, it's
SpongeBob, and what else did she buy?
Super Mario.
Super Mario. Don't that look cool? Yeah, he look like a real Thai boy now.
you want me to order more?
If you want, yeah, why not? How much was it? Like $100? 100 baht?
The 122 baht.
Oh, that's not
with,
too bad.
But with the, delivery,
Yeah, so 140. So let's see, $3, $4 maybe. That's not bad. $4.
No?
No, for sleep. No, it's for sleep.
Yeah.
Getting some food ready. They're gonna eat tonight, a family, and I'm just gonna be watching TV and I don't know, just chilling in the house. Kind of tired. I just want to watch TV and relax. I got that grill out. I'm gonna cook some pork tomorrow. And barbecue some pork. Anyway, that's it for today. Later. You know, I said I was done for today, but I just wanted to say that Lazada works really. Lazada. I think it's Lazada. Works really great here. I've been ordering a lot of stuff. Well, when I was here before, I ordered a lot of stuff, and I usually get a COD, so
What's it?
I want to see the package to see if it's right. So
How many is it?
yeah, we got a lot of packages
No,
from
no,
Lazada.
no. These are not my pen.
No,
No.
I didn't order nothing else.
What is it?
Usually I don't know what's coming, but they come and I just pay them right there when they come out. They pull up front. Oh, this is the machine you wanted.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're.
Oh, my pen. For real.
I told you, everything here is yours. Manicure, pedicure set, and Nuch bought some pants. That's it. Alright. Good night, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be in the world. Thank you for watching. Bye.